Welcome to our introductory guide for the Unreal Engine 5 Algosyntax client. This plugin offers access to Algosyntax plugins and assets, all curated and neatly organized based on your Patreon subscription level, and all accessible from one central hub. Let's walk through the download and installation process. You can acquire the Algosyntax client free of charge directly from the official Algosyntax store website or via our Patreon page. To ensure the plugin is available across all your projects, install it at the UE5 engine level. This way, you won't have to reinstall for every new project you start. The installation process itself is incredibly straightforward. It involves simply unzipping the downloaded archive and placing it in the plugins folder. To illustrate, for those using UE 5.2, your file path would look something like this: Epic Games, UE 5.2, Engine, Plugins, Marketplace, and finally Algosyntax. The Algosyntax folder is optional, but you can create it to better organize your plugins. Extract the zip file here. Once the installation process is successfully completed, the next time you boot up any Unreal Engine project, you'll want to enable the Algosyntax client plugin. To do this, simply navigate to Plugins, then initiate a search for Algosyntax client. Once located, go ahead and enable the plugin. Alternatively, if you prefer a more categorical approach, you can find the plugin nestled under the Algosyntax licensing category. Typically, the Algosyntax client comes bundled with some starter plugins and assets to get you up and running swiftly. We recommend taking a moment to enable these as well while you're within the plugins window. In the upcoming section of this tutorial, we'll delve into the details of how to log into the Algosyntax client and unlock the plugins and assets.